Olives contain a natural compound that has shown promising results in treating obesity and type 2 diabetes. The compound is called elenolic acid. Research conducted on mice demonstrated that elenolic acid, even in a single dose, stimulates the release of two metabolic hormones called GLP-1 and PYY. These two hormones regulate appetite and blood sugar levels. In obese mice with diabetes, elenolic acid led to significant weight loss and improved blood sugar regulation after just 1 week of treatment, surpassing the effects of some existing medications. Unlike drugs that mimic GLP-1, elenolic acid works indirectly by triggering the body to produce more of its own natural hormones. This indirect approach could potentially offer a safer, more cost-effective, and convenient alternative to existing obesity and diabetes treatments. The research builds upon previous findings, which showed that even a single dose of concentrated elenolic acid could stimulate hormone secretion and improve glucose tolerance in obese mice on a high-fat diet. While elenolic acid is present in extra virgin olive oil and mature olives, the concentrations used in the study are likely higher than what could be obtained through diet alone. The compound can be produced more economically by breaking down oleuropein, which is found in various parts of the olive plant. As the research is still in its early stages and has not yet undergone peer review, further investigation is needed to fully understand elenolic acid's effects on human metabolism and to ensure its safety for clinical